and welcome back to erbsclass, man, for 5 more minutes of math. Check out what I got for you today. I know what you're saying, more parabolas? Yes, yes, more parabolas. Now, the video you probably just watched was on vertex form. Let's get one up here in vertex form real quick. Okay, good. Now, more importantly, can you tell me what the vertex of this parabola is? Yes, -1, -4, and you better be able to tell me what the vertex of that parabola is. Remember, change the sign on the x number. Good. Now, it's not always going to be in this form, right? Let's say I wanted to expand this out, get rid of the parentheses, multiply that stuff out to see what happens. It looks something like this, right? Yeah, exactly right. Remember, anything squared is that thing times itself. Remember how to multiply these out? That was a couple of videos ago. Yeah, exactly right. The double distribute or the FOIL. Exactly right. Which brings me here. Don't forget to bring down that -4. And we multiplied that first because of, yeah, PEMDAS. Exactly right. So, combine like terms, it leaves me here. Good. That's exactly where it leaves me. Now remember, this equation and this equation, they're exactly the same. They just look different. I just multiplied this out, subtracted 4 from my result, and this is where I am. Remember what that's called? Equivalent. Exactly right. These two equations mean exactly the same thing. They're just in different forms. This is called vertex form. This one right here, this is called good. This is called standard form. So it means the same back when we were talking about polynomials, how highest exponent first, but when a quadratic is in standard form, it actually has 3 coefficients. And so we give those coefficients names. Because we're going to need those coefficients later. These are the names. Actually, we don't give them names, we give them letters. But these letters represent the coefficients on these terms. A is always the number that's attached to x squared. B is always the number that's attached to x. And C is always the number that doesn't have a letter. Yeah, so in this case, they are. Notice, remember, there's an invisible 1 here. So the coefficient on x squared here is 1. Yeah, exactly right. And so on and so forth. Okay, let's try a couple other ones real quick. Ooh, okay. Still standard form. I still got the highest exponent first, and then it go down from there. But it looks like I'm missing one. Let's start at the beginning. What's this number right here? Good. And this number? Good. Notice I'm not attaching any letters. When I'm talking A, B, and C, I want just the coefficients. Okay, so where's C? Good. If there's no number there, we're going to call that one 0. One more. Ooh, okay, well, it looks like there might be a little space in here. On your paper, there might not be a space, but I left it there for a reason. Coefficient in front of x squared? Good. There's nothing here that says x. So if I'm looking for the coefficient on the x term, it's 0. Yeah. And this number, it can't be b because b has to have an x attached to it. Yes, exactly right. So this is C. Yeah, good. Let's talk about what we're going to do with those A, B's, and C.